How to join the expired Telegram link. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can join the expired link in your Telegram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Telegram, and here you have to know that if it is an expired link then you might not be able to access the link. So if you are the admin of the group, what you have to do is simply click on it and you just have to create any of the group that you want, and after that here you have to give it a name. So once you create any of the group, here you are able to limit the Telegram link. What you have to do is go in the members, and here you are able to add any of the link that you want, and you can join any of the link that you want to join. So this is how you can join expired link in your Telegram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.